Yeah, man. Nice and lovely, guys. Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo. Healthy side, alright? Now, as you can see exactly what's going on over there, it is amazing to be in the kitchen giving you your favorite recipes and ideas and things that you love to make in your own kitchen, alright? So today we're going to be making a simple recipe, nothing too complicated and all them thing there. Alright? So before you do anything, please sit back and relax and watch this amazing recipe right here. Alright? Now, what we're going to do, we're going to start the show off by where's my, yeah, this I'm looking for this. Yeah. We're going to simply start the show by simple get a medium sized cucumber and we're going to remove the skin. Alright. Yeah, man. I'm using the peeler to remove the skin from the cucumber. Alright. Now we're going to cut up the cucumber and we're going to put into our blender. I'm going to make a healthy drink today. Alright. Nice one. So we're just gonna put down all of this down in it because you don't know now. It's cucumber. 95% of cucumber is just water. Alright. Now, lemon. Alright, this is what you want to do. You want to get some lemon, remove the seeds. I'm just going to use half of the lemon inside of it. I got some ginger powder. I don't have any fresh ginger at the moment because of what I go on. Things are hard to get. Alright. Nice one. I'm going to put a little bit of apple cider vinegar. Put that one side. And half tablespoon of cucumber, half honey. Be careful of the honey what you're using. What we're going to do, we're just going to blend this first. And if we need to add anything, we will add it. Alright? Very nice recipe, guys, for you to make at home. Alright? Nice. So that looking good. But what we want to do, to be honest, we want to put some of the seed in it. I think I did a video back in the days like this. So I'm gonna put 2 teaspoons of the chisel seed. Chisel seed is very good for weight loss. So we're just gonna blend this. it's just one of these things, guys. You have to just organize it yourself. You know what I mean? But it's fabulous, guys. Honestly, it's just one of these one where you have to organize up yourself properly, and you know what I mean. Work with this an amazing recipe right here. Look at that, lovely. And this is just in the morning for breakfast. Look at that. That is lovely. That's exactly what I'm talking about. You know what I mean? That's exactly what Chef Ricardo is all about with this amazing drink right there. Look at it. Lovely, nice. The flavor, the texture, and everything is just amazing. And to be honest, you guys can make this at home. It doesn't complicate it. It's very easy to make. And also, not only that, this is a delicious, healthy drink where you guys can drink at home. Very, very healthy recipe. Very good for detoxing the body and also losing weight at home. So if you like the recipe, as I said, please give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to the YouTube channel. And also, you know what I mean, you can do your own research on apple cider vinegar, lemon, cucumber, salad, whatever. You can do your own research and get some more tips and ideas from this healthy drink. Alright guys, but as I said, we have thousands of recipes will be coming from Chef Ricardo. And please visit my website at chefricardo.co.uk and get a lot more recipes and more ideas. And also you can follow me on my Instagram page, Chef Ricardo Cooking, my Facebook page, Chef Ricardo Cooking, and also WhatsApp, Chef Ricardo Cooking, Snapchat, Chef Ricardo Cooking, everything Chef Ricardo Cooking, and get in touch with Chef Ricardo with the latest update, recipes, and ideas. And also you can get my cooking book, which is 50% off at the moment. Alright? So if you like the recipe, as I said, please share the video and tell a friend, and a friend, tell a friend. And subscribe. It is very important for you to make this an amazing recipe at home. Alright? Cucumber with ginger, lemon, and apple cider vinegar, chisel seed, and I eat that. Lovely, tastable, and nice. Step-by-step recipe from Chef Ricardo today. See you next time in the kitchen with more recipe from Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. Alright? See you next time. Bye-bye. Yeah, man, I hit that, man. Look at that. Nice one, yeah. It's beautiful, simple, and also delicious. See you next time. Bye-bye.